Here we have the PONY Stylus. It comes nicely packaged with this nice leather case. It's from Amazon and the price is just around $10. I will link it below. The front comes with this interesting looking stylus. Do not pull it out, that's what you're going to write with. And the back actually twists off, and there's another backup inside. I guess this is useful if the first one gets all scratched up. Notice how the tip is all wobbly. That's a good thing. It will help you when you're writing and drawing on the screen. If you do accidentally pull it out, you can push it back in. At least that's what I did, and you can see here it's just fine now. When you put it in the case, be sure to put it head first or it will be difficult to pull back out. One more thing, the cap is magnetic, which is pretty useful so it doesn't roll around and get lost while in use. I'm writing on my Note app on an old iPad Air 2 from 2015. Unfortunately, this iPad is not compatible with an Apple Pencil, so I won't be able to use my stylus to its full potential. But it's still useful for drawing and notes. And it's working! Here is a comparison with my own finger. As you can see, my finger works just fine, but I don't have as much control, and it's much more fatiguing. That concludes my PONY Stylus unboxing. Thanks for watching. My name is Lisa Loperfido. Like and subscribe for more, and let me know what you think of your own pen below.